Hey, what's going on? So here's our next curb find air conditioner. This you can read the sign, working AC free. This is a good sign. I mean, it's a good indication that it might work, but you know, I never believe people when they tell you things work. Yeah, you don't know if it works till you plug it in and try it. Anyway, this is a pretty good air conditioner for resale. It's fairly new looking, really good condition. The panels are both nice. So let's take this off. All right, let's take a look at the label. What is that? It's a 6,000 BTU. This is from 2012. It's older than it looks. It's just in good shape. But anyway, this is, you know, it's sort of newer looking style, and this will be very easy to sell. You got the filter. All right, I'm gonna have to run the hair dryer. We'll come right back. Okay, so we just ran into a problem with this one. This one apparently has water in the plug. I can show you what that's like, that water in the plug. So that's what happens. The circuit breaker trips. This sucks. So you got the security screws in there. You can try to take this apart and dry it out. Sometimes that works, sometimes it don't. I can feel the water leaking out of it. Yeah, this just I hate these things. So yeah, see, there's all water leaking out of it. So I normally just replace these. I don't even try to dry them out. This one I may try to dry out. I'm kind of running low on spare cords. This is why it's good to have a lot of spare cords on hand. So come right back. Okay, I took that plug all apart, dried it out with the hair dryer. Seems to be holding up. Sometimes they seem to work, but then you run the thing for 20 minutes and it starts tripping again. So anyway, it's working right now. It beeped when I plugged it in. Let's turn this on. I ran the hair dryer again. Might have heard it click on there. No. Watch this thing not even work after I went up through all that with the plug. Alright, maybe the compressor needs to reset. So yeah, I'll come back when it comes on. Okay, getting really frustrated here. I had to dig up a socket multiplier thingy. Oh, it's on. Duh. Sitting here, I never heard it come on. It's a Quingen. What a pain in the butt this one was. Oh, at least it works. It's definitely cold. What a pain in the butt. Yeah, this one definitely works. It's cold all the way up. Man, what a pain in the butt. Maybe because this is electronic. Most of the ones I've been doing were, you know, the analog type. Yeah, this is definitely working. It's very cold. Very cold. Yeah, it works good. So, it's auto, high, medium, low. Yeah, this is definitely working. It's very cold. Alright, so there you go. This was definitely a pain in the butt. So I'll see you next time.